Here's how to make your Roblox Audio ID public. So first you'll need to open the browser and go to roblox.com and then click on create and then go to creations and now go to development items and then go to audio in here. Now we will need to upload an audio asset or audio file. Click on upload asset in here and then choose audio and then give it a name, for example audio 01, then give it a description as well. And now click on upload and then select an audio file that you want to upload. So I'm going to pick a random one here. Make sure it's the correct format as well. I think it supports wave files, so make sure you pick a wave file. For example, button press.wave in here, and then I'm gonna press upload and then wait for it to upload. Now once the upload is completed, you will see the audio file in here. Then you can simply click on it and it should open this page. Then you can to distribute it or to make it public, you will need to enable this checkbox here, which is distribute on creator store. Now before you will be able to distribute it, you will need to submit it for review. So click on submit for review and make sure you have your account ID verified, or you have verified your account with a valid ID, because it's required to distribute audio files or make them public for people to use on the Roblox creator store. And then check all these check boxes here to agree to the legal agreements, and then you can simply click on the submit button. Then you will basically see a blue window on the top saying that your asset is pending review, and it usually takes 1 day for them to review the assets and allow you to check the box to distribute it on the store for everyone to use. And once it's approved, you can go back and then you will see a green window like this, but it says it's approved and can be distributed, and this will be enabled so you can basically check it and save changes, and then your audio is public for everyone to use on the store. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.